So this is the unit Demoso that I'll be rocking today. They sent some goodies with the unit. This is the unit straight out of the packaging. It's looking really good. It's Kinky straight, 200 density. This is the lace. It's HD. It has an adjustable band. It also has a nice up-to-date wig cap that I love. It has removable clips, okay, wig clips or wig combs that you can remove and not have to like seam rip them out. So we love that. Even the one at the back, look at that. And the adjustable strap is also removable. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my hairline out because this is a 10 by 7 lace parting space, which I love because it doesn't have side tabs. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some lace scented spray on the lace just so that it'll match my skin tone, but it does come pre-bleached and it has tiny knots. The knots are not big. So you can apply this unit glueless, but I'm not going to be doing that because I need my unit to be secure. So y'all see it's fitting really nicely on. They got the middle part busting. Okay, so I'm just going to take some hairspray and put that on the hairline. Look at the lace, you guys. Pre-cut invisible HD lace. I ain't have to do no cutting. Look, it's already melting into my scalp and I haven't even done much. Like, do not play with them. This unit is bomb. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on the wig band that they provided. While that lace is melting, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. So I put my flat iron on 450. This is Kinky straight hair. So we're just going to do a few passes because I don't want it super bone straight. But I do want it a little bit more straight. But y'all know how Kinky straight hair is. It's still going to have that texture that I love. This hair was so easy to go ahead and straighten. I didn't put nothing on the hair, y'all. Literally, like I didn't put no serum, no nothing. Except for at the end. But y'all see how like it's getting really straight. Like the hair is of good quality. So yes, you can use high heat on this hair and it's not going to burn up. Liked about this unit, I ain't had to train the part or nothing, y'all. The part was already flat. Like they did their big one with this. Like I'm just bumping it up and I'm gonna put a little wax stick on the top just for, you know, some flyaways or anything. But really you don't have to do much to this unit. It comes pretty much done in style for you. You just have to adjust it to your head. So I went ahead and took the band off and look, it's giving scalp like so effortlessly. And now I'm just going to go ahead and slick down my sideburns and my baby hairs because y'all know I use my real baby hairs now because I have a low hairline. But you can use some out of the wig or you don't have to do any baby hairs. My hairline is just low, so I got to make it do what it do. And I am using edge control to do this. Now that I have my makeup on, I'm just going to take a little bit of my like foundation and I'm just going to like rub that in the hairline just so it's like more seamless and it matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm just going to go back over it a little bit with the flat iron because I did have it in a ponytail while I was doing my makeup. Alright, so the part was a little bit too wide for me, so I'm going to use my black spray to kind of like, you know, get it together. So that's what I'm just doing with my rat tail comb. And I didn't add any concealer because it just wasn't needed. And it looks really nice and seamless. And look at that. I can put it behind my ear and it's giving something super natural, really nice. It's giving, definitely giving sewing. Look how silky the hair is. It has a nice luster on it. Look at the body. Look at the way it moves. This is some good quality hair. Look at the lace. Like, y'all, get into the lace. Like, it is too good. Y'all see me, I combed it down just to show y'all how it looked like that. And I pushed a little bit of it back to show y'all how it would look. You already know I gotta run my fingers through it. You know, got to show y'all from all them angles. Like, it don't get no natural than this. It just doesn't. You can push it back and wear it like that. You know, give that messy hair look. You can do a little flip over. See, I'm really feeling this hair. It's just too good. Like, look at that, y'all. And y'all already know I gotta do a half up, half down because that is my favorite hairstyle of all time. So I gotta make sure my wig can go in a half up, half down. I could have combed the part back, but I decided to leave the part because it's actually cute with the part. So this is just what that looks like. Really nice and seamless and full and super pretty. Okay, you guys, let's get into some things. I'm probably gonna totally butcher this hair company's name. This is Demoso. I believe that's what it's called, you guys. This is their glueless 10 by 7 wig. It is a kinky straight unit. You can definitely get this on Amazon, which I think is so dope because y'all know how fast the shipping is on Amazon. The density is 200, so this is some really full hair. It is a 10 by 7 lace parting, so I love that because it's just a lot easier to install, and I like that I don't have to worry about putting it on my side tabs. It is 20 inches long, so this is about how long it comes on me. It is pre-cut lace, bleached knots, like literally everything is already done. This is invisible HD lace, so we love that. Y'all know this is one of my favorite textures of hair, and I've been needing a new kinky straight wig, so this came right on time for the fall. I love it. Like, it's really, really soft, y'all. This hair is super, super soft from them. Y'all know I leave out my natural hairline, so it is definitely giving very much so sew-in, not wiggy. So I love that. It's giving that it's coming out of my scalp. This unit is so beautiful. I love me some kinky straight hair. It is perfect. It's my favorite, one of my favorite textures. I cannot wait to rock this fall because, like I said, I needed a new unit, and this unit was just so easy to install. The quality of the hair, y'all, I put my flat iron on 450 and the hair did not melt or anything, y'all. It was so easy to install. Such a seamless install. Just so beautiful. I'm gonna take the ponytail out so y'all can kind of get the gist of like how natural this is. Like, literally, you could go out the door. Like, I love a wig where I could just do a little zhuzh. Like, you can do like the messy hair look and go out the door. Like, I love that. Like, that's just too, that's tea. Like, you could just let your hair just, you know, blow in the wind, and it's giving scalp. Like, I mean, if you like a more put together, you know, wig like situation, you could just comb it down like this, and it's still gonna give another look. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just giving looks all across the board. I can't tell me this is not coming out of my scalp. 10 out of 10, you know, that's all I really got to say about the unit, y'all. I don't have anything bad to say about this unit. 10 out of 10 would totally recommend. Super affordable. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon, so that's even more tea because you don't gotta wait for it. You know, the link to the shop will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all go ahead and check them out. The link to this wig will also be in the description box below. Get you one. Like, y'all know Amazon got 2-day shipping. Like, come on. When y'all seeing me rocking this, don't say I ain't never tell y'all nothing. Don't y'all be in the comments saying, Mona, where's the hair from? Mona, where's the hair from? Because I done told y'all where the hair is from. So, yeah, but act like y'all know something. Okay, don't say I ain't never showed y'all nothing. Like, look at this scalp. Okay, too good. Like, but y'all know I love me a ponytail, so that's probably how I'm gonna rock it. But anyways, like I was saying, get y'all one. Everything about them will be in the description box below, so make sure y'all check up there. And yes, get you one. And I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.